How to change Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi or change its password. So if you want to change the Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is launch the Ring application. So first launch the Ring application. Once you've launched, you just need to simply tap on the three lines icon, which is on the upper left corner, and then click on the devices option. Once you click on the devices option, choose the Ring Doorbell model. Once you choose the Ring Doorbell model, you need to choose device health option under your Ring Doorbell model. After choosing device health, you will have an option of change Wi-Fi network. You just need to simply tap on change Wi-Fi network and then head to the doorbell location. And after that, do as per the on-screen instructions to put your device in a setup mode and select the desired Wi-Fi connection. Type in the network password, hit on continue button, and you'll be able to change the Wi-Fi on your Ring doorbell. So in this way, you'll be able to change the Ring doorbell Wi-Fi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.